guys, so I had some bad luck with the Eve mattress. They sent me out 2 of them and I couldn't really get a good quality control product from them, so returned that. They've collected it and now I've just had delivered the Simba mattress, so hopefully this one will be alright. Got it on Black Friday sale at the minute, 40% off. Quite a good deal. It's normally a £750 mattress, they're doing 40% off now, and with a free mattress topper, so I've got this for that anyway. The box is a lot smaller than the Eve one, it's a bit easier to carry up. It's about the same kind of weight though, so I'm just going to do a quick unboxing so you can see what it looks like. It'll take about 3 to 6 hours, Simba is saying, for it to reach its full height. But you know, I'm not going to plan on sleeping for another 10-12 hours later on today because it's in the morning right now. So just hope you enjoy the unboxing and stay tuned for my update for let me tell you if it's any good or not. Alright, so here's the mattress fully unrolled now. They say in the booklet, you get this really cool booklet actually. I didn't get anything like this with the Eve mattress, you just kind of have to look online and guess what you kind of do. But yeah, you get this really nice booklet and it's got all sorts of stuff in it. You've got this Simba like cutter key, so you don't tear the mattress if you're using a Stanley knife. You can do that safely and open up the thing. That's really cool and handy to have. So you don't damage your mattress. You get this nice little door handle as well, which has got like some basically setup guide how to kind of put it up together, and you got some reading of you know what to expect from the mattress in the first 100 nights sleep that you get. Now please be advised that you do have to get it from Simba for direct if they want to honour the 100 night sleep, because some resellers you can't get that through there. I bought it from Simba direct, so it's a good idea to do that. But anyway, here it is. I'm going to wait for it to rise up now. Hopefully it'll look great. It's a 25cm deep mattress. You've got 2,500 pocket springs in this. This is the Simba original one. So hopefully it'll be really good. So I'll give you an update once it's fully risen up. Alright guys, so the mattress is fully expanded. It's been probably about 10 hours, something like that. So more than enough time for it to expand. There are some little tiny things that I've noticed, like here there's like a little crease there in the memory foam, but I'm guessing that might come out over time, to be honest. The actual thing is, this is actually a king size bed, so this is the king size mattress, so it is big, yeah. But the actual Simba is deeper than the Eve one. The Eve one was Eve Hybrid, the regular one is 20cm deep. The Simba original mattress is 25cm deep, so it is actually a bit thicker, which you can see already there, you know. And it means it is just touching this cushion, which the Eve one went to there. This one's just coming a little bit over, but it's no biggie, won't really cause any issues. But you know, it's the shape. Doesn't seem to be any issues with the shape. I really like the jacket, how it comes all the way over. You got these handles here, because you're meant to rotate it, I think, once every month for like 6 months. Like just spin it around so it gets even wear. And then after that I think you do it quarterly or something like that. Again, another little kink here, but I'm guessing it'll come out once the memory foam's had a bit more longer time and you know it's moved around a bit. But yeah, the general shape is actually quite good. Like I said, the issues with the Eve was straight away the back had that dip in it, which you might have noticed in my last video. But this one's straight, which is good. If you lift it up here, I'll show you the thickness. So you get this cool Simba label there. You know, it's a big label as well. And it says, look, 1 mattress, 5 layers of comfort, tailored to suit all. So we'll see tonight. Looking forward to sleeping on it. It is quite thick. And this is what it looks like on a Ottoman storage bed anyway. This is the king size. Let's just try and pull it down. Hang on. Oh, there we go. So yeah, got my pajamas on, ready to try the thing out. I'm gonna put my mattress sheet on it now. I have actually got, because the Black Friday offer on is the mattress protector, which you get for free with it on the Black Friday offer, but you need to actually wash it first before you put it on. So I'm gonna wash that this weekend, and you know, then I'll put it on, but I'm not gonna have it on for this first sleep. There is a bit of a chemical smell, not gonna lie. Apparently it's a common thing with memory foam mattresses. You know, they've been vacuum packed. You are going to get that chemical smell. It is supposed to go away in time. To be honest, it doesn't bother me that much. It's not that strong of a smell that I'm like, you know, like throwing up or something like that. So it's not too bad. But yeah, I'll give you another update once I've actually slept on it after a few weeks and see how it's bedding in, and you know, if I like it or not. Alright guys, so I've had about 2 weeks spent on the bed. 2.5, 3 weeks. It's pretty much gone to its full shape. It's been good. It's actually quite comfortable. It's quite firm as well. The crease that was in there originally is kind of pretty much gone out. It's a decent shape. It's not dipped or anything like that, you know. That's the side there. You might see in the camera there's little dints, but there's not. I think it's just a shadow from the light, because you can't actually feel anything. It does feel nice. It's very firm. It's actually firmer than the Eve, but it does shape to your body quite well when you're on it. If I just show you when in this mirror here, it's like when I'm on it, you can see how firm it is. It's not dipping that much, you know. So you can see there on my leg. It's hardly dipping. Oh, I'm right on the edge as well. So if I go like that, there, it's not that bad. So it is firm. I quite like it. If you like a firm mattress, then I'd say go for it. I'm actually on, as you can see, I'm sat on it now. You can see how much it's hardly dipped there as well. So it is actually really good. I quite like it. I recommend one. Definitely, it is more expensive, but it is really good. I still kind of smell a bit of the chemical smell that you can kind of get from it, but it'll go over time. It doesn't really bother me that much. It's not that strong to it for it enough to bother me really bad. But it will kind of go over time, I guess, you know, as it airs out more. But anyway, I recommend it. Thumbs up from me. If you want to try it, there's a link in the description. Have a look at that. It'll take you straight to the mattress, and you'll get a kickback from it as well. Alright, cheers. Thanks for that, guys.